how to create notes on TikTok. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to your TikTok application. Here in TikTok homepage, go to profile on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap profile. And you can see here the notes on the top of your profile. So you can tap this and now you can create a note. So for my example, okay, subscribe. And after you create a note, you can share to your story by tap the story button below. Okay, tap this. And okay guys, as you can see, okay, go to inbox. And also you can see here the subscribe. And also you can create a notes on your inbox. So you can tap the notes on the top and you can see the pop-up below, and now you can create a notes like on your profile. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully create notes on TikTok. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.